Are you ready to launch the next big thing on YouTube? Welcome to the ultimate guide on how to start a successful YouTube channel in 2026. The YouTube landscape is still booming in 2026, offering more opportunities than ever for new creators. With the right strategy, you can quickly build a loyal audience and turn your passion into profit. Now is the perfect time to start. Why start now? Because content demand is skyrocketing. We'll show you exactly how to navigate this thriving ecosystem and achieve viral success, but first, let's look at what we'll cover. Our comprehensive tutorial is broken down into 5 critical steps: niche selection, channel setup and branding, equipment essentials, creating your first video, and finally, consistency and SEO. First up, the foundation of your success, niche selection. Getting this right is absolutely crucial for long-term growth and audience retention. You need to find the sweet spot where your passion meets your expertise. What topic could you talk about for hours without running out of ideas? Next, conduct market research. Identify high-demand, low-competition topics. Use tools to find out what people are searching for. This is where effective SEO starts, making sure your videos are found by the right audience. Chapter 2 focuses on establishing your digital identity with channel setup and branding. First impressions count.
Choose a memorable channel name that reflects your niche. Then, craft a compelling channel description that clearly tells viewers what value they'll get by subscribing.
Your branding, including your channel art and icon, must be high quality and visually attractive. A strong brand instantly communicates professionalism and what your content is all about. Chapter 3. Equipment and software essentials. You don't need to break the bank, but quality matters for viewer retention. Start with a budget-friendly camera, perhaps even your smartphone, but invest in a good external microphone. Clear audio is non-negotiable for a professional-sounding video. When it comes to post-production, reliable video editing software is necessary. Find a program that fits your budget and skill level, and commit to mastering it. Moving on to Chapter 4, creating your first video. This is where the rubber meets the road. Let's make that first upload count. Scripting helps you stay focused and concise. Practice capturing your footage cleanly, paying attention to lighting and background to enhance visual quality. A captivating thumbnail and title are your video's marketing team. They are the single biggest factor in getting those initial clicks, boosting your click-through rate, so spend serious time perfecting them before you upload. Finally, Chapter 5, consistency and advanced SEO. These are the long-game strategies that turn a small channel into a full-time career. Consistency is vital. Create an achievable upload schedule that you can stick to, whether it's weekly or bi-weekly. Your audience needs to know when to expect your new content. Master advanced YouTube SEO techniques by using relevant tags, creating accurate transcripts, and optimizing your video description. This helps YouTube's algorithm understand and rank your content. That brings us to the conclusion of our guide. Starting a successful YouTube channel is a marathon, not a sprint. Remember the 5 key steps: niche, branding, gear, content creation, and the ongoing power of consistency and SEO. Follow this blueprint and you'll be well on your way. Don't delay. Take the first step today. We believe in your potential. Hit that subscribe button for more creator tips, and let's make 2026 your breakthrough year.